When a high voltage power line falls, what do you do when you come across a falling high voltage power line? What do you do? What you should do? Watching this video will save your life. You need to save this video. First of all, never run when a high voltage tension wire falls on the ground. It forms a concentric circle with the landing point at the center to separate the current. Generally, the maximum radius of about 20 meter, and the potential difference of each concentric circle is different. So the closer you are to the center of the concentric circle, the higher the voltage. When you step into this range with 1 feet, you will feel a distant numbness. At this time, if there is a distance difference between your 2 feet touching the ground, the current will flow into the body from the higher concentric circle. And the larger your stride is, the higher the voltage is going to be, the greater the danger will be. And the human body can't withstand such a higher voltage, and then it can even kill a person. So what you should have to do to save the life, basically, first we must stay calm and not move on. You just have to move with the 1 foot and then keep on moving other foot on the ground, and this way you can move out of the concentric circle. If you jump with the 1 feet, you could be safe with this. But secondly, if your balance is not good, you can choose to put your feet together, jump in the opposite direction with both the feet at the same time. Third, if you still unsure, you can choose to put both the feet together, slowly move in the opposite direction by rubbing against each other. You should never move more than 5 centimeters at a time until you get out of the area. Walking like this way, like rubbing the feet, will reduce the flow of current, and this will lead to the safety of your health. Next precaution is, everybody should know that when you move out of the home in the rainy season, you should consider that there could be any naked wire waiting for you. So what you should do, you should stay at least 35 feet away from that particular wire. Never touch or move, even do not touch the ground, because as well as do not drive over the drone wires, because your cars are made up of metal, they might catch the current. As well as if there is any wire, naked wire fall on your car, you're supposed to stay inside. You don't have to move out of there, because it might cause current upon you. If a wire fall upon you, you should stay at the position where you are. You need to maintain the equilibrium of your feet, because your body might transmit current from one part of your body to another. So you need to call your helpline, either 911 or 1122 in the country wherever you are staying in. If you feel that there is a current in the water in which you are taking bath or in you are staying, you don't have to move, because there is a massive movement of the electron. As soon as the electrons are moved